started. For this art, you will need a piece of paper and a marker. So to begin with, diagonally draw a curved line like this. And then draw a few points on the line. And then connect them with a bunch of curved lines. Just keep doing the same thing. It doesn't matter how many lines you're drawing, and there really isn't a right or wrong way of doing it. So just keep on joining the 2 points with random curved lines. After you're done with this line, draw more curved lines coming out of it. Like this. And then draw a few dots and connect them. Now after you're done with this, do the same thing, draw more lines coming out. This art really doesn't have a pattern, just keep on drawing curved lines and connect them with dots. If you have little small gaps, just keep filling them in with lines and curves. Just like that. Now we're done filling in all the little gaps, and this is our final art. If you want, you could also color this in. Thank you all for watching the video. I hope you guys liked it, and don't forget to like, share, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. So see you all next time. Bye!